All right, so a triangular prism has a width of 10 centimeters, a length of 3 1/2 centimeters, and then a height of 2 3/4 centimeters. So on a triangular prism, oh, and we need to find the volume. So the thing that we have to do is we specifically have to find the volume of the triangle first, and that's going to use the length and the width. So I'm going to do the 10 or 1/2 times 10 times 3 1/2. A 1/2 times 10 is going to be 5, and I'm going to go ahead and change 3 1/2 into a decimal. 3.5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25, carry that 2. 3 times 5 is 15, plus a 2 is 17. So I have 17.5 centimeters squared. So that's just the area of the triangle. Then I'm going to need to multiply that by the height of that. So I'm going to multiply that by the 2 3/4. I'm trying to decide if I want to leave that as a decimal or improper. I might go to mixed numbers and test that out. So if I make those fractions, oops, sorry, that should be a 4, and I turn those into improper fractions, 2 times 17 is 34, plus the 1 is 35 over 2. Over here, I have 2 times 4 is 8, plus the 3 is 11 over 4. That didn't help me a huge amount. There's nothing I can do to simplify. 2 times 4 is going to be 8. 35 times 11. 35 times 1 is 35. Carry the 0. 35 times 1 is 35. I have 385 over 8. So I can't leave an answer as an improper fraction. I am running out of room. I'm going to change colors just so I know where I'm at. So I'm going to do 385 divided by 8. 8 doesn't go into 3, but it goes into 38 4 times. 8 times 4 is 32. Subtract, I get a 6 and bring down a 5. 8 goes into 65 8 times, and that's 64. There's 1 left, so 1/8. So my answer would be 48 1/8 centimeters cubed. Or if you want that as a decimal, it would be 48.125 centimeters cubed.